I made those, and I've made fireplace drains.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, different things like that.
That'd be cool to have. Like, if you have a fireplace, make a handmade, all the different tools and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
It's like something you can do.
Yeah, I can do this. Yeah. What a lady. What's doing she had to have raised her nails and everything. So I had to make 150. Yeah. I made that look nice. So, you know, you can kind of just dodge it up. This is good. This has got a scroll in it, but you can just kind of take your hammer and kind of let the metal do what it wants to do. I like blacksmithing because blacksmith were the roots of all the metalwork,
Yeah.
like machine shops and everything.
Mm-hmm.
But a blacksmith can still do something that no other machine can do, and that is they can take a 3/8 inch bolt and put it in a 3/8 inch rod. And the way that we do it is we split it and then take a punch and open it up around so we can actually drop the bolt right back in there, and it's the same thickness as the metal that you're using. We can make our own tools pretty much.
Yeah. I can see that. Like when he was going to the big meet, they have big blacksmith. What they call agriculture.
Yeah.
But they use those, what's the hammers? Cow hammers. You know, so they're not hammers, they're just cow hammers. Yeah. I guess they kill them with wood or something.
Really?
Blacksmith shop, a grooming shop.
Yeah, they have rooms.
The Fiber Fest. A couple weekends ago. Fiber Fest, that was San Francisco, where they had factories. Okay. Orange also has a showing. It's pretty cool. You like that? It gets too weak. Too weird.
this. So get the scale off. All I have to do is let it cool for a few minutes. And,
is there any time when you don't want to quench it?
yes. Anytime you're using any kind of tool steel, or if you have a small mass, like you've necked down and you've got a large mass on the end, you don't want to then either. You want to let it be in the air drum.
Does it make it brittle, or?
It makes it brittle and it'll snap right there.
Wow. Okay.
Mm-hmm. You never want a sharp corner. If you're bending see how I've got this? It's got a little boss right there.
Right. Yeah.
If you do it and you make it perfectly sharp, it'll cause what they call a cold shunt, and it'll snap right off right there. By the time it cools down, it'll already be cracked.
Wow. Okay.
And but this is thick enough. You don't have to really worry about this one.
And the oil gives it this kind of.
Well, give it that black color.
Yeah.
And then you can. This will last about a year outside easily, if not longer, before it'll rust. And then usually it sucks in. I go ahead and cool it, and then pump it off.
Cars are so loud.
I
know cars are so loud.
That's great.
Wow.
That's amazing.
Is there any cool?
It's cool. Yeah. I mean, it's warm, but you can.
It's just warm.
Wow.
That's so neat.